If I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know. I promise you, you wouldn't know. If I didn't tell you this was a shake and go wig, you wouldn't know. Let me show you how easy it is. You literally plop it on your head, adjust it, and boom. Look at that. This is the bang style shake and go wig. It's beginner friendly and perfect for anyone who's in a rush. Hello or welcome back. We're starting off fresh faced, but let's go ahead and change that. Okay? Boom. So let me tell you something. This wig I'm going to show you, I cannot find anything easier or faster. You see how quick I'm putting it on? Spray a little bit of water, adjust the bangs a little bit, and boom, we're ready. It's that simple. Wait till you see all the styles you can do with the shake and go wig. Just look. This is the same wig that had the bangs, the shake and go wig with the bangs. Look how I'm wearing it here. Okay, I didn't do my edges, but it blends perfectly. Here, I'm slicking down my edges, and it's just amazing. Look at that, same wig. You can wear it so many different ways. I can't wait to show you in a little bit more detail. Now look at here. I've got it in a twist out, okay, plopping it on my head and getting my edges done, okay, and boom. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Tell me that's not my hair. Tell me that's not my hair. If you don't tell them, they're not going to know. Look at that. Look at the scalp. Look at my edges. Look at the blend. Same wig, y'all. Same wig. Look at all the styles you can do with this shake and go full wig. Same wig. Okay, by now you should want to know the details. What kind of wig is this? What kind of sorcery is this? What brand is this? The brand is HerGivenHair. So this video is done in collaboration with HerGivenHair. This wig is called the Bang Style Shake and Go wig, okay? In the Coily texture 3C4A and in the natural color. It's a one size fits all and the hair length is 16 inches. You see it has combs on either side, adjustable straps, and just look at the texture of the hair. This is straight out of the box, okay? So there is also an adjustable pull string there. So it's going to fit very comfortable and snug on your head. So again, this is straight out of the box, okay? This is before I've done any styling, no products on the wig. And you can see it looks like a wig at first, right? You just have to trust the process. It's amazing what a little bit of warm water can do to the hair. It just wakes it up and makes it look super natural. Or you could wash and condition the hair if you choose. But just a little bit of warm water sprayed to the hair just makes it look amazing. And you can see that the hair starts to look really bouncy, it's soft, and it looks like natural type 4 hair. Again, you can style this hair super fast. It's really beginner friendly. Just look how natural that scalp looks. Look at it. A little side note, have you seen that activating my bob on TikTok or social media? I couldn't help myself. Let me stop. I'm having too much fun. But seriously, let's go ahead and trim the bangs, okay? So they've intentionally given us bangs that are quite long, and you can go ahead and trim it. You see how I've trimmed it and then kind of pushed it to the side? That looks kind of cute, right? What do you think? I think that looks kind of cute. Now, if you want the bangs a little bit shorter to about the distance from your forehead to your eyebrows, just be careful. Don't cut it straight across. That will look not too good. You want to be careful and take small portions of the hair at a time. Just small portions and trim it. And don't go too short. So this is what I have so far. So let's take the same bang style shake and go wig and use it as a half wig. I'm giving myself a little bit of a leave out, you see, not much. And again, this is going to be a really quick, beginner-friendly style. So I'm just putting the wig on, the same wig, okay? Locate the drawstring in the back and tuck it under. And again, just adjust it. And then I'm just pulling out my leave out. My hair is natural, spraying with a little water, and then just kind of blending my hair with the wig. And literally, that's all it is. That's all I did. Blending my hair and boom. I didn't even do my edges here, but it looks amazing, doesn't it? It looks so natural. It's giving my hair. It is my hair. Okay, let's just do my edges for those of you who like to do their edges and do, all the swirls, even though I'm not really going to do all of that. And then I just kind of tuck it behind my ear and look. Tell me that wasn't simple and fast, and I didn't have to deal with any glue. I didn't have to deal with any lace. None of that. It's totally beginner friendly. And again, perfect if you're in a rush. Hello? Look at that blend. I am still in awe, honestly. I love the length of this wig, and I love the fact that this hair texture is so versatile. Let's go ahead and do a twist out. You could do a braid out if you want, but you can certainly do a twist out also. So that's what I'm going to do here. Brush, 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 added a little bit of mousse. The mousse will give the twist out or braid out a little bit more definition. Now you can totally twist your hair or braid your hair while wearing the wig, but you can also put it on a canvas head or mannequin. I feel like it's a lot easier to style the hair that way. But also take a look at the hair. Look at that texture. Look at the ends. It looks so natural, doesn't it? So again, this hair is from HerGivenHair. This is the Bang Style Shake and Go Full Wig, 3C 4A Coily texture in the natural color, and it's in the one size fits all, and the length of the hair is 16 inches. Just look at how pretty that hair is gliding through the brush. So the point is, this is a very low maintenance wig, and you really can wear it the way it came straight out of the box, as long as you spray it with some warm water to revive the curls. But if you have time to style it, you can do that too. So here are the twists, and just like you would with natural hair, I am stretching the twists with some heat, also just to dry them, because remember, it's damp after using the mousse and the water, so I wanted to dry the twists properly, but also to stretch the hair a little bit. And I do this technique also with my natural hair. So yeah, it's super fun, super easy, and you can do this in advance, again, if you have a little bit of time, so you can plan your style, but look how pretty those twists are. Or the twist out. Look at it. Doesn't it look like super natural type 4 hair? So pretty. I've showed you how I wore the wig with bangs, and now I'm just going to put it on and not have the bangs, but have a little bit of leave out and also in a twist out. So I love this style. I love how it came out, and you can absolutely do it too, or you can do a braid out. It's up to you. Just making sure I'm securing the wig properly. Remember, there are combs if you want to use them, but there's also an adjustable band if you want to use that, and there's also a drawstring in the back. But just look how, again, amazingly natural it looks. I was feeling myself, y'all. I was totally feeling myself. I'm like, girl, this is your hair. Who's to know? Okay, so outfit change. Let's see what this hair looks like. And now I decided, let me do the little, flat twist that I love to do. This is like one of my other favorite hairstyles, just to blend my natural hair with the wig and do a flat twist and pull it to the back. I repeat the process on the other side, doing a flat twist where I incorporate my hair with strands of the wig, and then basically turn that into a twist, and then pull the two twists together into the back. I love how this turns out, and again, it looks really natural, doesn't it? Now, some of you might be wondering, how do you do this on a regular basis? You see how easy the wig comes off? Yep, just be gentle not to rip out your hair. and just make sure you take care of your natural hair. So this is how I maintain it. I twist my natural hair and pull it neatly to the back. Okay, very simple. And again, the whole point of a protective style is to still take care of your own hair. I put on a satin scarf and that's how I go to sleep. That's it. Now the next day, I take off the scarf just like that and plop the wig on. So simple. And again, if you've already pre-styled the wig to your liking, it's really simple. See? The bangs are back. The bangs are back. They never went anywhere. So yeah, this hair is super versatile, and I just wanted you to see what it looks like while wearing a hoodie for those who dress very casual or wear hoodies. I feel like this wig is definitely an everyday wig, and let's see what it looks like if I pull it to the back. So I have parted it in two, twisting it, and then I'm just tucking it to the back. And I think this is a very casual, everyday look. Okay, isn't that cute? So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have enjoyed seeing the variety of ways you can style the shake and go wig. It truly is a great investment if you're interested, and I will leave all the details in the description box along with a coupon code and links to HerGivenHair. Bye!